Hey YouTube, working on this Packard here. We're gonna get the wiper motor out. It's up under the dashboard. I got the radio out, as you can see, and there's the knob for turn the wipers on and off. I'm gonna take the whole unit out because I'll show you. To get the motor out, motor is right up in there, right there. There's a screw right there in the middle of the screen right there. You have to get it from the other side, and then there's another one behind that steering column brace. And there's also some linkage, as you can see right there. So what I think I'll do, and I think this is the way to do it, you take that bolt out, the nut off that bracket right there. That whole unit, see that thing goes over there to the other wiper there? And you take that linkage off there. Of course, you take that one off in the middle there and slide it over top the glove box, which is that brown cardboard there. And then you can put it on the table there and try it out. So I think that's what we'll do. And I'll get back with you here in a minute, so I get things set up. Oh, by the way, I'm working on the horn too. I got the relay over here. This relay seems to be good. Here, I'll show you. I got me a little switch here hooked up. Relay works. So, I guess it's the horn ring on the steering wheel, which is maybe a real pain. Those things can be a real bear. This is the radio. Look at this old rubber here. That was all the way around here to enclose the speaker. This radio's got a problem. You can't tune it in for some reason. It works. You can hear it work. But nothing happens here. There's no, no thing there. So anyway, I guess the next thing to do is try to get these wipers off. And I gotta be real careful. There's that horn ring. And you got the screws in the back there. Yeah, we'll deal with that another time. But right now, I want to get that wiper motor out of there. So hang on 1 second. Aha, there we go. Sometimes they can be a real pain. I got the other one off. I thought I'd show you folks how to I don't know, you probably already know. Anyway, you take, see this thing's got a clip on it there? A little clip. Take your screwdriver and push that way. Sometimes they come off. You can pull them off, but like that other one came off pretty easy. This one here, I had the screwdriver here I bent a long time ago, and not for this, but it seemed to work just fine with this. But you know, you don't want to chip the paint, so I put this thing here. So anyway, that's that, and we'll get on to the next project or the next step. Hold on a minute. Well, this is interesting. This one here, there's a little pin to it. It's got this little cross thing right there. Let's see if we can move that in there right there. But this one over here, doesn't have that. So I'm gonna have to investigate this. It's gotta have something to do with getting this off right here. Because you gotta get that off to get this scunching off. Hold on a minute, we'll see what we can do. Yeah, they both had a pin in them. I'm just blind as a bat. I didn't see it. On that piece that comes up right here, got a hole in it. This slides down over that, and then you got to take a small little pin. I took a tiny little screwdriver and poked it out. So now we can continue on. Hold on a minute. Okay, got this off both sides. Next up, I'm going to try to get that scunching off without scratching the paint. Got a little piece of rubber under there. Hey, what's the best way to do it? Give it a little tappy tap tap. That's what elderly iron would do, I'm sure. Oh, this is dangerous. Dangerous, dangerous. You go to the other side. Get a smaller screwdriver. I hope they're not glued down there. Well, maybe it'll come down out from inside. Maybe I don't have to take those things off. So let's get down in there under the dash, and you know, actually, they should come right out of there. I shouldn't have to take those off, really. In fact, when I pull that shaft down out of there, it'll probably fall off. So hold on a minute, I'll get back to you. Okay, next on the agenda is getting that nut off right there. Then, I've already got this piece of linkage off here. See that one right there? That one goes over here to that. That's the on and off switch. So there's the motor. There's the culprit right there. And you can't get a screwdriver in there. I've already tried. I gotta undo. Well, actually, that's it. All I gotta do is undo this nut right here. And that's all the linkage is right there. That's the on and off, and I already got the vacuum hose off of it. So let's go from there and see what happens. Hang on a second. Okay, I got these coming down. I got that nut off, and I had to take that stud out. See that? That goes over the firewall, over to the wiper housing. But now we got another issue. It's ready to come down. The only problem is we got these body screws sticking out. They're either, I'm hoping they just hold the window molding on. See if I can get an eyeball on it. Well, anyway, they are in the way of this frame coming down. So I gotta take that screw out there. There they are. A couple screws, or at least back them off. So I'm hoping it's just these. They're too long. So we'll see. I don't want to take this whole damn thing off. I don't have to. So we'll get back to you. Hold on a minute. Well, folks, it came out. I was able to back those screws off. See them there in the window there? There was one more which was holding the dash, but I was able to get it through there. This looks like it's been repaired at one time. Looks like it's been welded. Wonder if they took this off another car. Right there, see the weld right there. Anyway, there's the motor, and I'll get this apart. There's that one lever on the dash moves this back and forth, and then the vacuum hose hooks to there. There's a flapper inside here that has leather or some kind of cloth. Back in the day it was leather that seals around this chamber, and vacuum, no vacuum, vacuum. Anyway, they had that for years and years and years. A lot of times you push on the gas to pass a car or something in the rain, your wipers are going, their wipers will stop just at the worst time because your engine's using all the vacuum. So anyway, they might make an electric one for this, but you know, this car, it ain't driven in the rain ever. We just want the wipers to work, you know, just because they have to work, that's all. So anyway, we'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll get back to you on this. See you later.